Booking expenses in Zoho Books is simple once you know where to go. Start by opening the expenses module under purchases. For a faster approach, press Shift and X on your keyboard to access it directly. Once inside, click plus New at the top right to create a new expense. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, pressing C and X works too. Fill in the expense date first, then assign an employee if applicable. If the employee isn't in the system yet, go to Manage Employees and click Add New Employee. Next, select the appropriate expense account from your chart of accounts. For complex expenses, you can itemize across multiple accounts. Enter the total amount, apply any taxes and select Paid Through to indicate the payment account, whether it's a bank account, petty cash or other method. If the expense relates to a vendor, link it in the vendor field or add a customer if relevant. You can also mark the expense as billable for a project so it can appear in future invoices. Don't forget to attach receipts from your device, cloud storage or Zoho Docs and use tags for projects or reporting purposes to stay organized. Finally, click Save or use the shortcut Alt or Option and S. If you have more expenses, Save and New lets you quickly enter another one. With these steps, your expenses will be accurately recorded and neatly organized in Zoho Books.